Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily clear Facebook's watch history, so please carefully follow up with me. First we open the Facebook's app and then we go to the menu by tapping the picture on the top right corner. From there we scroll down until we find privacy and settings, we tap on it and then we tap again on settings. From there we go to profile settings and then we scroll down until we find activity log, we tap on it. And then we tap all the way down until we find view activity history. We tap on it, it will take you to this list right here. From there we tap on the filters right on top of the list. And then we tap on categories. And then we tap on logged actions and other activity. From there you tap on videos you have watched. This will take you to the list of the videos you have ever watched on Facebook. Now you can delete each one individually by tapping the three dots next to everyone and tapping on delete, or you can delete the whole list entirely by tapping on clear video watch history and then tap on clear again. Once you tap on clear, all of the history will be deleted. And that is it, guys. This is how you delete Facebook's watch history. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future solutions to such problems. Thanks for watching.